All right, we're hiking Heron Lake trails. This is the one from the visitor center to Brushy Point. See the kids up there hiking. You can see this trail, very wide, very developed. Oh, here comes some hikers going the other way. Let's say hello to them. Hello, how are you folks?
I hope you are.
But this is a flat, fast, easy trail. Difficulty is extremely easy and highly recommended. So if you're in the Heron Lake area, definitely stop by for a hike. You'll enjoy these trails because the difficulty level is not very difficult at all. It's a good family hike.